Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the dishwasher into your workspace. Unpack the dishwasher by tearing at the seams of the plastic packaging. The polystyrene packaging is easily disassembled. Remove the plinth from the furniture and place it to one side. Insert the water and drain hose plus the cable through the niche and direct them to the connection points, before carefully maneuvering the dishwasher into the niche. Inside the dishwasher, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. For the next step, you will need the 2 sealant strips, and they should be attached to both sides of the dishwasher. You will now need the 2 right-angled plates and the 2 foam dampeners. Clip the 2 plates into the top of the dishwasher and stick the foam dampeners into place. You can cut the foam dampeners in half and use on top as well as on the sides of the dishwasher to reduce vibration. Next, you will need steam cover. Mount steam cover onto the underside of the worktop using the 4 screws provided. Adjusting the height of the dishwasher is straightforward. Using a screwdriver on the front of the machine will adjust the back leg to the required height. Then push the dishwasher up into place and hold it there whilst you adjust the front legs until it is level. For the next step, you will need the noise dampener. Peel off the adhesive strip and fix the noise dampener to the bottom of the dishwasher. Take the decorative panel and place it onto a work surface. Place the installation guide flat down onto the decoration panel. Use the guides to mark out the screw points for each mounting bracket. Take the 2 mounting brackets and use the screws provided to fix them to the decorative panel. Then take the plastic washers and their associated screws and fix them into place. The decorative panel can now be mounted onto the dishwasher, making sure that the screw points on the sides are aligned. Secure the panel in place with the screws provided. With these screws, the front panel's height can be adjusted. And then slide the dishwasher into the niche until it is aligned with the furniture. Open the dishwasher door and use the screws to securely attach the right-angle plates to the furniture. You can also screw into the worktop depending on the furniture design. Next, you will need the 4 screws and plastic collars provided. Create pilot holes using a screwdriver. With the lower basket removed, place the collars into the appropriate holes on the inside of the dishwasher and screw them into place. Finally, locate the 2 screw covers and clip them into place on each side of the dishwasher. Place the plinth back onto the furniture and check once more that the decoration panel is sitting flush to its surroundings. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.